And we begin tonight with new information on the coronavirus outbreak. Today, the New York City Health Department says it is testing 2 people for the virus. The White House announcing new security measures at airports across the country as infections spread to 60 countries. The president also says all travelers from high-risk countries will now be subject to the same screenings. CBS 2's Christina joins us outside Kennedy Airport with more. Christina.
Well, Jessica, up until now, only passengers coming from China had to be screened when arriving in the United States. The president announcing today that from now on, all travelers arriving from high-risk countries will be subject to the same. After making a rare White House appearance Saturday, President Trump once again tried calming the nation's fears over coronavirus, announcing via Twitter stricter health measures. Not only will travelers from highly infected countries be screened prior to boarding, they will be screened again after arriving in America.
I'm more confident than ever that we are bringing a whole-of-government approach. The president has directed the full resources of the federal government.
Vice President Mike Pence backed the president's actions in handling the crisis so far. He also announced the mass release of testing kits for the coronavirus, saying the administration will have the capability to test thousands of patients.
I'm happy to report that this weekend, more than 15,000 testing kits have been released. Also, the FDA has approved a testing regimen that state and local officials can be using.
Among the states that can now administer their own test, New York. New York City is currently awaiting results from 2 suspected cases. The virus has now spread to more than 60 countries and 10 U.S. states. The vice president says there could be more deaths.
For people that have other conditions that would militate toward a worse outcome, that we could have more. We could have more sad news.
On Saturday, the White House announced new travel restrictions to Iran. It also told Americans to avoid traveling to areas in Italy and South Korea most affected by the virus. Several U.S. airlines are now also pulling back flights. Delta and American both suspending flights to Milan for the next several weeks. Meanwhile, the country's Surgeon General is pleading to Americans to stop buying face masks, reiterating that they are not helpful in preventing Americans from catching the coronavirus. Reporting live from JFK Airport, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
All right, Christina, thank you.